Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have two sovereign citizens in court, both claiming to be living men, and neither one of them showing any signs of intelligent life. Short intro. So let's begin.
It looks like Mr. Azultine, I may be pronouncing that wrong, is had a fairly recent warrant. I would, if we're comfortable addressing that on the record.
Yep, Mr. Azultine, are you able to turn on your microphone?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Okay, it looks like you missed your hearing on July 16th, just a few days ago.
I am, without recourse, sui juris, in propria persona, the living man, and not representing the incorporated Ty Warren Azultine entity. I am the affiant of the affidavit of truth filed in this case, April 26th, appearing specially and not generally under threat, duress, and coercion to correct the mistaken identity misnomer of the defendant, and notice this court to dismiss this case sui sponte for failure of joinder, failure to serve the complaint, failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted, and lack of jurisdiction.
Well, this is an easy one. Jurisdiction is established by the preponderance of the evidence, especially time, date, and location. If you are within Thurston County on the date and time that you received your citation, then Thurston County District Court does have jurisdiction over you. And as far as your failure to state a claim, this is in a civil suit, so that defense is a non-defense.
I have some questions before I feel comfortable with this court moving forward. Has someone entered a plea on behalf of the defendant?
All right, I'm not going to be able to address this case unless I have assurances that the defendant, Ty Azultine, is the person here, and I'm hearing a lot of nonsense that doesn't address directly, that rather obfuscates the clarity on who you are. If you're not Ty Azultine, then you're a spectator and you're welcome to stay. If you are Ty Azultine, I'll address your warrant, but I will address no other issues in this hearing because this hearing is limited to quashing warrants and setting court dates. So are you Ty Azultine?
Does the caption of this case not say Ty Warren Azultine in all capital letters?
Your Honor, I can speak with Mr. Azultine in a breakout room if you'd prefer, or...
Well, he's not represented by counsel and hasn't been throughout this case.
He's refused counsel.
Yep. If you're Ty Azultine, just tell me that. If you're not, then I'm going to let you spectate for the rest of the court calendar until we're done.
I am the affiant of the affidavit of truth. And if you look at the affidavit, it will clarify who it is that I am. There are two.
All right, I've muted your microphone. It appears to me that you don't claim to be Ty Azultine, so I'm going to strike Ty Azultine's hearing, and the matter will be, the warrant will be left outstanding. And Heidi, no one is eligible to appear on Zoom in this case. They have to apply in person for a warrant quash. All right, and sir, you're free to remain and watch the rest of the calendar. We're going to go on to other people who are here.
I really love judges like this. Include the hearing immediately. Hang up. Don't give him an opportunity to vomit on the record any more than he already is now. For those wondering what's next with him, well, he has two options, both of them costing the same amount of money out of his own pocket. He can either pay the fine and be done with it, or pay the bond, which is the cost of the fine, and get a formal hearing with the prosecutor. Either way, the city is still going to get its money, and this jackass is still going to have to accept some responsibility for his actions. It's a win-win. All right, so that's the end of the video, and I really appreciate you sticking around to the end. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike, but don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content.